Hello Internet! It's Friday, but it's not Google News Friday. I'm reviewing whether or not I should keep doing Google News Friday. Anyway, first, as I said on the Wednesday video, I'm going to report back on what I recorded on my karaoke trip. To summarize, there's a lot of this.
And the last of tomorrow stalks is prey in the night, and he's watching us all in the eye!
And this.
Do it all, everything on our own.
But mostly it's this.
Terrible dancing song.
And then some more of
We
this.
can get together! Love Shack baby! A love shack baby.
And while we're keeping on the musical theme, second thing, I just came back from a gig watching JudahCall. And they are on YouTube. I will link to them down in the description. And if you've never heard of them yet, go! Stop paying attention to this video. Just watch them. I'm serious, and to show you how serious, here's a short clip. While we're at it, second point, fifth thing, 2 slight recommendations for music to listen to over the weekend. First is Radical Face, if you've never heard of them, link to a particular video in the description. Second is Elbow, and if you've never heard of the band Elbow, what are you doing? Search for it up there. Anyway, I'll leave it at that. The weather's cleared up. Have a good weekend, everybody. You shall see me on Monday. See ya! P.S. Does anybody live in Sydney and know where I can get a pair of ginormous bunny ears? I'm not looking for the really small ones. I'm looking for the big one.